Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine and home. Today's value: help others. Today's value: help others. You should help your parents, help your elders, help your friends, and help your neighbors. You should help others. Today I am going to teach 7th lesson. The name of the lesson is Flying High. Repeat after me, children. Flying high. So first we will see the characters. These are the characters in this story Flying High. So the main character is Red Balloon. This story is fully about Red Balloon. First character, Traffic Police. Mrs. Brown, Mr. Boom, Joey, the little boy, little puppy. So these are the characters in the story Flying High. Shall we repeat it once again? Traffic Police, Mrs. Brown, Mr. Boom, Joey, little puppy. Shall we see the story? So this story is all about the red balloon. The red balloon is flying high with these characters. So next, this lesson is for your project, not for your examination. So have to read the given lesson carefully. First we will see the story. The name of the story is Flying High. Shall we start reading, children? One fine summer morning, there appeared a big red balloon with a long string tied to it. One fine summer morning, there appeared a big red balloon. So look at the red balloon. Red balloon with a long strip tied to it. See the strip? So that tied a long string to the red balloon. It floated. Here floated means traveled or moved high in the sky. This red balloon moved high in the sky until it was seen by a traffic police. So the traffic police seen the red balloon. He caught the string to stop the balloon from disturbing the traffic. Here disturbing means to move something or change the position. The traffic police wants to change the position of the red balloon. So he caught the string to stop the red balloon from disturbing the people of the traffic. Up and away went the red balloon along with the policeman. So look at the picture. But the red balloon went up and up with the policeman. Mrs. Brown had just finished her shopping. So look at the picture. Mrs. Brown had just finished her shopping. She saw a long string in front of her nose. Mrs. Brown saw a long string in front of her nose. She caught the string and up Mrs. Brown went too. So look at the picture. After saw a long string in front of her nose, she also caught the string and she also went up in the sky. Up and away went the red balloon. So this red balloon up and away from the place. Now Mrs. Brown and the traffic police went up and up in the sky. Into the clear blue sky. They went into the clear blue sky along with the policeman and Mrs. Brown. Now Mrs. Brown and the policeman went up and up to the clear blue sky. Joey, a little boy. Who's a little boy? Joey is a little boy was playing in the park among with his friend. Joey was playing among with his friend in the park. He saw the red balloon with two people flying high. The little boy saw the red balloon with the two people flying high with the red balloon. Who are the two people? Mrs. Brown and the policeman. He wanted to fly too. He caught the long string and went up and away. Now, this little boy also caught the string and he also went up to the clear blue sky. Now, the policeman, Mrs. Brown and the little boy went up and away from the blue sky. Up and away went the red balloon into the clear blue sky. Now these three people went up into the blue sky. Look at the picture. Now the three people flying up in the blue sky. Mrs. Gooms was watering the plants in his garden. So look at the picture. Mr. Gooms was watering the plants in his garden. When the balloon arrived near fence, he caught the balloon by the string and let it straight into his house. But it was too late. Up and away went the red balloon into the clear blue sky, carrying the policeman, Mrs. Brown, Joey, and now Mr. Gooms. After Joey, who came? Mr. Gooms was watering the plants in his garden. He also saw the red balloon that was flying high in the sky with the three people. Who are the three people? The policeman, next Mrs. Brown, and the little boy. The name of the little boy is Joey. After Joey, who caught the string? Very good. Mr. Gooms caught the string and he also fly high in the blue clear sky. Now there are four people flying high in the blue sky. One is policeman, Mrs. Brown, Joey, the little boy who is playing in the park among with his friend, and now Mrs. Gooms. There was a little puppy. There was a little puppy running fast with a piece of meat that she had stolen. Here stolen means to take something that you are not supposed to have without asking for permission. So this puppy took the piece of meat without the permission of the shopkeeper from the butcher shop. Here butcher shop means a person who cut and sell meat in a shop. That is called butcher shop. When she saw the red balloon come near her, she dropped the piece of meat and caught the string. So the little puppy ran faster with the piece of meat. The piece of meat was stolen from a butcher shop. After running fast with a piece of meat, the little puppy saw the red balloon that come near her. She dropped the piece of meat in the ground or on the ground. Then she also caught the string of the red balloon. Now who are the people are flying? Very good. The policeman. Next, Mrs. Brown, Joey, Mr. Gooms, and finally the little puppy. Up and away went the red balloon into the clear blue sky. The red balloon up and away went into the clear blue sky with the 5 people. Long time until there was nothing to be seen in the clear blue sky except the white puffy clouds that went puffing by. Here puffing means, very good, puffing means clouds are moving in the blue sky. Suddenly, tuff, come a loud sound. Down came the little puppy back in front of the butcher shop. After that loud sound, the little puppy came back to in front of the butcher shop. Duff came a loud sound again. Again that loud sound came. Next, it was Mrs. Gooms who fell in front of his house in the garden. After the puppy, who fell down? Very good. Mr. Gooms fell down in the front of his house in the garden. Touch came a loud sound. After Gooms, this time it was Joey who fell in a lake in the park. So this little boy fell into a lake in the park. Touch came a loud sound again. After Joey, down fell Mr. Brown. After Joey, who fell down? Very good, Mr. Groom, Mrs. Brown in front of the shopping complex into a basket. Mrs. Brown fell in the front of the shopping complex in a basket. Touch came a loud sound. Last was the policeman who fell in front of the traffic light. Finally, who fell? The policeman fell in the front of the traffic light. Everyone stumbled. Here stumbled means fell down. First the puppy, next Mr. Gooms, after that Joey, after that Mrs. Brown. Finally the policeman fell down, one after the others. But none was hurt. They all seemed to have enjoyed the flight. So the five people enjoyed the flight. Here flight means traveling in the air. They waved to ditch farewell to the red balloon. Here farewell means saying goodbye. So the 5 members saying goodbye to the red balloon, because the red balloon only carried them into the clear blue sky. That is why they say goodbye to the red balloon. The red balloon gave them a broad smile and flew away into the clear blue sky. So the red balloon also gave them a broad smile and flew away into the clear sky. Have you understood the story, children?
Morning, a big red balloon with a long string floated in the sky. A traffic policeman caught the string of the balloon and went up it. Mrs. Brown caught the string and she too went up. The red balloon flew into the clear blue sky along with the policeman and Mrs. Brown. Joey was playing in the park along with his friends. He saw the red balloon. He wanted to fly too. He caught the long string and went up with it. Mr. Gomes was watering the plants in his garden. He caught the balloon by the string. A little puppy saw the red balloon. She dropped the piece of meat and caught the string. Suddenly, there was a loud sound. The little puppy fell in front of the butcher shop. Mr. Gomes fell in front of his house in the garden. Joey fell into a lake. Mrs. Brown fell in front of the shopping complex into a basket. Lastly, the policeman fell in front of the traffic light. None were hurt.
Have you enjoyed the story, children? Very good. Now we will discuss the hard words of this lesson. Flying hand. First one, float. Float means travel or move. The balloon is float in the without asking for permission. In the story, the little puppy take the piece of very good meat without asking the permission of the butcher. See the meaning of butcher? Butcher means meat seller. Who sell meats? It means butcher. Fluffy, soft, puffing, clouds moving, tumble, fell down. In the end of the story, the 5 characters fell down on the ground. Flight, traveling in hand. Farewell, saying goodbye. So, these 5 characters in the end of the story, they say goodbye to the red balloon. So, these are the hard words in this story. First one, float. Float means travel or move. Second one, disturbing. Disturbing means changing position. Stolen, taking without asking for permission. Butcher, meat seller. Fluffy, soft. Puffing, clouds moving. Tumbled, fell down. Flight, traveling in air. Farewell, saying goodbye. So these are the hard words of this lesson. Have you understood the story, children? Very good. Now I am going to teach grammar. The name of the grammar is action words or doing words. Action words or doing words. First of all, I am going to show some pictures. You have to identify the picture and tell me what they are doing. Shall we see?
Children, now look at this picture. These are all called as the action verbs. Look at the first image. What is the baby doing? The baby is crawling. Now look at the second one. What is the boy doing? The boy is kicking. Okay? The boy is kicking the ball. And in the third image, the cat is calling using the telephone. Okay? The cat is calling. In this, calling is the action verb. The next image. So, this also seems to be like a cat. So, what it is doing? It is looking. The cat is looking. At the next image, a man is laughing. A man is laughing. The next picture is, we can able to see a bear and a man. So, what they are doing? They are dancing. They are dancing. In the seventh image, a boy is driving the car. A boy is driving the car. In the eighth image, we can able to see a girl. What is she doing? The girl is reading. The girl is reading. And in the ninth image, a girl is riding. A girl is riding. So what are the action verbs we observe in this image? Crawl, kick, call, look, laugh, dance, drive, read, ride. So these are all the action verbs.
Now we see the definition for action words or doing words. Action words are doing words that tells us what someone is doing or called doing words or action words. So action word or doing words are nothing but that word tells us what someone is doing. See, action words, doing words are also called verbs. So these words are also called as verbs. Verbs are nothing but action word or doing word? Doing word or action words are also called as verbs. Verbs that tells us what someone is doing are called action word or doing word. See the examples. My mother is cooking food. So here what she is doing? She is cooking. Here cooking is action word or doing word. Here mother is doing some household work. My mother is cooking food. So it is verb or action word. My brother is riding the bicycle. Here what he is doing? He is riding. So here he is doing some work. So it is called verb. Riding. Here riding is the verb. My father playing football. Here my father is playing football. So here he is doing some work. So playing is the verb. Action words or doing words are nothing but it tells us what someone is doing. Here mother is doing cooking. Here brother is riding. Here father is playing. So these are the examples for action words or doing words. These words are also called as verbs. Have you understood, children? So look at these picture, children. First one is Reena is skipping. What she is doing? Look at the picture and tell me. Reena is skipping. Deep and Riya are playing. Look at the picture. Deep and Riya are playing. Suhan is running. What he is doing? He is running. Maria is brushing her teeth. What she is doing? She is brushing her teeth. Ajay and Alia are singing. Here Ajay and Alia are singing. Varun is climbing a hill. What he is doing? Very good. Varun is climbing a hill. Manoj is eating popcorn. Manoj is eating a popcorn. Priya is mopping the floor. Here Priya is mopping the floor. So these pictures tells us what someone is doing. Reena is skipping. Deep and Riya are playing. Suhan is running. Maria is brushing. Ajay and Alia are singing. Varun is climbing. Manoj is eating. Priya is mopping. So they are doing some work. So these are called action word or doing word. It is also called as verbs. Now take page number 106. Exercise 1. Underline the action word in each sentence. So in this class we have learned action words. So you have to read the given sentence carefully. Then you have to identify the action word. Then you have to underline the action word in the each sentence. First one. Samana rides on a horse. Here what she is doing? She is riding on a horse. So I have to underline rides. My pet dog eats bones. So my pet dog eats. Here eats is the action word. Like this you have to complete exercise 1 in your English textbook. Take page number 111, worksheet 2. Here you have to underline the doing words. First one, Raj is planting a seed. What he is doing? He is planting a seed. So you have to underline planting. The children are playing in the beach. What they are doing? They are playing in the beach. Here playing is the doing word. So have to underline playing. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. What she is doing? She is cooking in the kitchen. Here, cooking is the doing word. Shalu is dancing. What she is doing? She is dancing. So, have to underline dancing because she is doing some work. Yogesh is drinking orange juice. What he is doing? He is drinking orange juice. So, here drinking is the doing word. Like this, you have to complete page number 111 in your English textbook. Now it's time for your home assignment. Read the lesson Flying High. So, have to read the whole lesson Flying High. This lesson is for your project. Complete page number 106 and 111 worksheet 2 in your English textbook. Next, you have to complete page number 106 and 111 worksheet 2 in your English textbook. Have you understood the lesson and the grammar, children? Very good. We will meet